Experiencing issues with your AirPods Pro 3 not playing sound in the Find My app? First, ensure your AirPods are paired with your iPhone, iPad, or Mac via Bluetooth and signed into the same iCloud account. Try the force reset sequence. Place AirPods in the case, close the lid for 30 seconds, then reopen and hold the setup button until the light flashes white. Still no sound? Update your iOS, watchOS, and AirPods firmware to the latest versions. For example, iOS 18.2 and AirPods Pro 3 firmware version 7b15 have improved reliability. Resetting your iCloud sync in settings, or unpairing, then repairing your AirPods can often resolve connectivity glitches and solve the most common play sound issues. If basic troubleshooting fails, consider environmental factors like Wi-Fi interference. Switching to Ethernet or disabling conflicting devices can help. If problems persist, Apple's diagnostic tools or a Genius Bar visit may be necessary, especially if a hardware defect is suspected. Apple has extended coverage for affected units. Looking ahead, expect AI-driven diagnostics and spatial audio to enhance Find My reliability. The rise of spatial audio and augmented reality in Find My trends toward more immersive location alerts, potentially reducing reliance on basic sound cues. Machine learning will preemptively address sound issues in future firmware updates.